Hi everybody, I'm David Ravetch. I'm teaching Excel education here at the Rady School in the Executive Ed department. And I want to tell you a little bit about my classes, so maybe you'll join us and learn some Excel together. So why take a class with me? I'm part of the UCLA and UC San Diego faculty for many years. All the work in the class is hands-on. I'm enthusiastic, and I believe in a cross between education and entertainment. I call it edutainment. In the first class, it's called the Foundation, Excel 1, the Foundation. Lots of functions, if, sum product, VLOOKUP, many more. We'll do financial forecasting with scroll bars. We'll make your charts better, tips and tricks with text functions, and so much more. Excel 2, we look at three major areas. VLOOKUP, a tremendous tool. We'll talk about the limitations and how to get around those limitations. We'll do macros, how to debug, a little coding, if statements, and do loops. And we'll talk about the mystery of pivot tables. Even if you know pivot tables, do I have tricks for you? In Excel 3, we talk about modern Excel, Power Pivot, creating pivot tables from several data sets, Power Query, which is data cleansing, scraping data from the internet, and unpivoting data. And in the final class, Excel 4, advanced dashboards, and Power BI desktop. We'll do heat maps, geospatial maps, BMI over time, and a brand new free tool we'll talk about, Power Business Intelligence. You'll have new skills where you can impress your coworkers. You'll impress your boss. You'll even be more invaluable. Although there are no guarantees, I've heard many stories of bigger raises and more promotions. I'm so looking forward to having some time with you to show you the mysteries and magic of Excel. Won't you join us? I hope to see you soon.